Many of you love listening to music. But what if I told you that you can make a lot of money online just by listening to music? You can do it again and again. And everything you need is a phone or a computer. This method is very simple and doesn't require any money or investment. In today's video, I'll show you how to set all of this up and step-by-step tutorial. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. And click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. First and foremost, go to YouTube and type in the keyword Top Music 2021. You'll be presented with a number of different playlists to choose from. Now, there are hundreds of songs and playlists you can listen on YouTube. So I will show you a real-life example of what we are going to be doing to start making this passive income work. I am going to listen to these three playlists right now: Playlist 1, Playlist 2, and Playlist 3. Now next, go to this website. You can earn money by simply listening to YouTube playlists. Basically, we can shorten our URLs on this website and gain a lot of money, and you can get paid anytime someone visits your link. On the top of the website, there's a long URL link to the YouTube playlist we chose earlier. So when someone clicks on this link, they'll be guided to this playlist. So all you have to do now is copy this link and go back to our secret tool. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll find the shortened URL section, and all you have to do is paste your URL link. I'm going to show you how much money you can make with this secret tool. So make sure to keep watching the video in order to maximize your earnings. Now, the way this website operates is that they'll pay you for all the valid visitors you bring to your links, and they'll pay you at least $15 for 1,000 views. The amount of money they'll pay you will now be determined by the country from which your visitors are coming from. So for example, if your visitors come from Australia, you'll receive $5. While visitors from the United Kingdom will pay you $4.30. If your visitors come from the United States, they'll pay you $4.10 for every 1,000 clicks. As a result, no matter which country your link visitors come from, you'll always receive at least $1.50. This is a great way to make money online by listening to music on YouTube. However, you must combine YouTube with Oyo.io. That is our secret tool that we are using right now in order to be paid anytime anyone clicks on the YouTube link that you will provide. So pay close attention. I am going to show you how to sign up for this website. What you have to do is click on the sign up button. You will be directed to the sign up page where you can create a brand new and free account in less than 60 seconds. All you have to do is fill in the form. Enter your username, your email, your password, and confirm your password, and then click on sign up. Once you've created your account, you can log into your dashboard. They will now show you how much money you can make from the shortened URL links. When you're on your dashboard, you can click on this new shortened link button. And what you have to do is copy the URL links from the YouTube playlist. Then paste them right here and click on the red button. The website will automatically generate the shortened link for you, and anytime someone visits your link, you'll be able to get money online. You have to do the same thing with the other two videos. After you've successfully shortened the three links, return to your dashboard and click on this link section. You will then be able to see all of the shortened URL links you've created. So here are the three shortened URL links that I made for the YouTube playlist. Now next, we need to go to this website called Linktree. It is a free website that ordinary people like you and me can use to build a page like this. So we want to use Linktree because it can help us earn 5 to 6 times more money with this method. Previously, where I asked you to find 3 playlists on YouTube, by shortening those links, you can generate unique links to share. However, using Linktree, we can combine 6 links into one page, and anyone who clicks on these links will be redirected to the YouTube song playlist you selected earlier. And the more people who visit your link, the more money you'll receive. So to sign up for Link.re, simply click on this button. Then you will be redirected to this tab, where you can simply fill out the form, like you would on any other website. When you have your account, click on this button under the links section to add a new link and then enter one of these 3 shortened links we have. But right now, I'll do the first link. We return to YouTube and copy the title and paste it right here. Since Linktree can carry up to 6 links, you can now repeat those 6 steps right here. And once you're done, you can just go ahead and press copy. I guess this is the main link we'll be sharing. But before I share the secret tip with you on how all of us can start making money online with this method easily. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So for the bonus tip that I promised you earlier, I want you to go over to reddit.com and click on this blue button to sign up for a free account. You can sign up with your Google account, Apple account, or even your email. I suggest that you use your Google account because it's much faster and Reddit doesn't even send spam emails. Once you've created an account, you have to search for the term music. Then you have to click on this page called r/music. As you can see, this is a music forum. There are over 20 million users in this community. And as we scroll down, we see many people posting music videos and playlists. Now this is a fantastic strategy because we can share our free links here. And when people visit your page and click on your links, you can start earning money without having to do anything. The final bonus tip is to help each other. To do so, all of us will share our link from Linktree in the comments section down below. And all of us should click on each other's links to help each other get some money. After that, all we have to do is sit back, relax, and check the traffic that's coming to our links. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. Thank you so much for staying with us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on notifications and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, check the 2 videos on your screen right now. Okay, and so next time, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.